Actress Ankita Lokhande, ex-girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, had reportedly informed Bihar police that the late actor was quite unhappy because Riya Chakravarti harassed him. Ankita made her claim while she was visiting Sushant's family in Patna. A report in News18.com stated. According to the website, Ankita told the police that through a chat around the time of release of her Bollywood debut film Manikarnika, the Queen of Jhansi in 2019, Sushant mentioned being harassed by his then girlfriend Riya. A report in DNAindia.com corroborated the news, saying a source had informed the website that according to Ankita, Sushant had told her that he is quite unhappy in the relationship and wants to end it as Riya harassed him. The News18.com report further stated that Ankita's above-mentioned chat with Sushant was shared with the police at that time. Sushant dated Ankita, his co-star of the hit TV series Pavitra Rishta, for almost 6 years, after which they parted ways. After Sushant's demise in June, Ankita had visited the actor's family when they were in Mumbai to perform his last rites. During her visit to Patna later, Ankita had reportedly shown the above-mentioned chats to Sushant's sister Shweta Singh Kirti. On Tuesday, it came to light that Sushant's father KK Singh had filed an FIR at the Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna, accusing 6 people, including his girlfriend Riya, for abetment to suicide. On Wednesday, Ankita took to social media to share a cryptic post. The actress tweeted an image that reads, "Truth wins" on her verified account. Popular actor Sonu Sood's relentless effort to unite migrant workers with their families and make them reach their homes safely amid the COVID-19 crisis garnered him a lot of praise from every possible quarters. Now today, on the occasion of his birthday, he took to his social media and announced 3 lakh job offers for the migrant workers. Taking to Twitter, he wrote, मेरे जन्मदिन के अवसर पर मेरे प्रवासी भाइयों के लिए प्रवासी रोजगार.com का 3 लाख नौकरियों के लिए मेरा करार। ये सभी अच्छे वेतन, PF, ESI और अन्य लाभ प्रदान करते हैं। धन्यवाद। Sonu has started a new initiative with an online platform called Pravasi Rozgar, which will help in providing right linkage to find jobs. Recently, the actor provided a tractor to a farmer in Andhra Pradesh within hours after he learnt that the farmer was using his daughters for ploughing as he could not afford to rent bulls. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti has urged everyone to stand together for the truth and demanded justice for her brother. Shweta has posted a picture of God on Instagram with the caption, "Let's stand united, let's stand together for the truth." Sushant's sister on Wednesday had posted a picture of the late actor's portrait in their Patna home. "If truth does not matter, nothing ever will," she has written alongside the image. On Tuesday, it came to light that Sushant's father KK Singh has filed an FIR at Rajiv Nagar police station in Patna a few days back, accusing 6 people, including actress Riya Chakravarti, for abetment to suicide. Actress Huma Qureshi and Rani Kapoor are currently preparing for their upcoming film Bell Bottom. Recently, the duo were snapped outside Pooja Entertainment office. Vani looked chic in black top teamed up with blue denim, while Huma kept her look simple in white shirt and black pant. On the other hand, producer Jackie Bhagnani too was snapped outside his office. Inspired by 2 events, the film Bell Bottom is set in 1980s. The story is about one of the India's forgotten heroes. The film also stars Lara Datta and Akshay Kumar. Directed by Ranjit M. Tiwari, Bell Bottom is scheduled to release on April 2, 2021. Bollywood actor Sonam Kapoor's husband Anand Ahuja is celebrating his 37th birthday today. On this occasion, Sonam's father and actor Anil Kapoor wished his son-in-law with a heartwarming note. Alongside with the string of pictures, Anil wrote, "You may not have been born into our family, but you seem to be born to be a part of it. Happy birthday, Anand. It takes 1,000 prayers and a million acts of kindness to get blessed with a son-in-law like you, and we are extremely proud of you." Sonam and Anand are currently in London. On the work front, Sonam was last seen in The Zoya Factor, which also featured actor Dulquer Salmaan. Serbian dancer-actress Natasha Stankovic and India all-rounder Hardik Pandya have been blessed with a baby boy, the 26-year-old announced via his social media handle. His Instagram post read, "We are blessed with our baby boy." It was posted with a picture of the baby's hand. The delivery happened in Vadodara. The duo had earlier announced in May that they were expecting a third member in their family. Hardik's Instagram post in May had read, "Natasha and I had a great journey together, and it is just about to get better. Together we are excited to welcome a new life into our lives very soon. We are thrilled for this new phase of our life and seek your blessings and wishes." Earlier this year, Hardik had announced his engagement to Natasha via social media as well. Bollywood actress Taapsee Pannu recently stepped out in the city and was snapped post a salon session. The actress looked pretty in white outfit teamed up with a sling bag. She also made sure to wear a mask. Taapsee also happily posed for the Shutterbugs. On the acting front, Taapsee will next be seen in Rashmi Rocket, Haseen Dilruba and Shabash Mittu.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.